For over 100 years, Proto has been dedicated to providing industrial strength hand tools that help professionals get the job done right. Today, Proto expands its offering beyond hand tools by bringing you a line of premium air tools. Introducing Proto's new Pistol Grip Air Impact Wrenches. Proving strong things come in small packages, these impact wrenches feature the highest breakaway torque in the industry. The 3/8-inch drive delivers 525 foot-pounds of torque, while the half-inch compact delivers 590 foot-pounds. Taking things up a notch, the half-inch drive delivers 1,260 foot-pounds, and the 3/4-inch drive checks in with a whopping 1,560 foot-pounds of torque, over 100 foot-pounds more than the leading competitor. This first-in-class strength means you can get the whole job done without having to lose time changing wrenches for a stubborn fastener. Each impact wrench is ergonomically engineered for heavy industrial use with safety in mind. The innovative handle-forward design helps with balance and control while reducing operator fatigue. It also allows more air to flow to the side-fed motor, which increases motor strength to produce industry-leading nut-busting power. Each handle is composed of a rubber grip for comfort and a one-handed forward-reverse control switch that can be used either left or right-handed. Titanium housing provides weight reduction and maximum durability, and each tool is integrated with tethering capability. The Proto Air Impact Wrenches are available in 3/8-inch drive, half-inch compact, half-inch drive, and 3/4-inch drive, and come with a 2-year warranty. So go beyond strong and get the job done right every time.
Proto Titanium Series Impacts. Stand alone, stand strong. Industrial strength. When reliability and safety are mission critical, Proto delivers what industrial technicians demand. Industry-leading breakaway torque in a balanced tool they can use all day long. Proto's handle-forward design and ergonomics create an ideal center of gravity for superior comfort that reduces operator fatigue. Go beyond strong. Choose a tool as strong as you. Proto Titanium Series Impacts. Stand alone.